grab your snacks, and enjoy this one, right? I can assure you, you will enjoy this one. Hold on. Remember, subscribe, hit the post notification bell too, Yeah, man. And leave a comment and thoughts, in the comment section, Okay? Full joy.
God, please forgive me for what I'm about to do.
Maggy Films.
Maggy.
Hey! Squeak! Hey! The donkey go a hee-haw. Donkey go a hee-haw. Donkey bring me one. Donkey bring me one. Anything we go down and tilt up a seesaw. Anyway, you see the donkey, so me not care. Me not travel upon no country bus. Me not travel upon the donkey. Why? School. Me not travel upon no. Hey, yes, one of that country boy. Not no nice like when I travel upon the donkey, no. I'm my son to tell you. Why? School. Come donkey. Go on. Why? Drink some water now. Tap a river now. Why? School. Me not travel upon the country bus. Me not travel upon the donkey. Hey, brrr. Aye, oh yeah. Easy now, donkey. Oh. Sumba, sunda da da dumba. Valley follow, mountain pass slow. This place my home, I'm not alone.
Oh, late.
Evelyn. Everything alright?
Yeah, man, so far.
Boy, I walk down the whole place. Me no know. Like somebody that try run just me. Me see them a throw something on the grass them and now. Them a turn brown. Me can't get no work. Watch that. Me have the machete rusty. You know get chop nothing yet.
You know, sir.
And you know, so really and truly, between me and you, me no want to chop up somebody, Me want to chop bush, want to chop grass, want some work. You know, no.
Yeah, man, you know, so me know a man up here road, I want donkey cart. Where man look somebody to work for him.
Yeah. You have my number?
Yeah, no, me can't take your number.
But when would I get to work?
Me not.
Immediately?
You call him, yeah, immediately you get it, you just call him.
All right. Take my number.
All right.
I'll make the link. 825 1926. Even now, me know no man call me. So you go call me and tell me, give me direction to where the man is, so I go do the work. You get that thing? Cause nobody when me talk to, and no say, go and work there for me. So we rate here, You know the free can give me drink. No free in there?
Yeah, man, you can't get one soda.
Nothing soda no. More like a chicken stove. Yeah, yeah. So you go nice. When we get to work, we check your back and exit. Yeah, let me get dragon. But you say a sure thing. Yeah, man, a sure thing. Come on, don't get the dragon stone.
I just me and me donkey. I'm a whole time friend. I just me and me donkey. I'm the whole time friend.
I do some work this morning, you know.
Don't be a fool, Danny boy. Stick to the rules and make your father proud in a dying grave. Your father was a very good man, full of integrity. In all that you do, remember, don't tell anyone. This must remain a secret. Temptation will come your way, but you can't afford to lose this, Danny boy. Not for fame, love, nor for any praise. Do the right thing and focus.
Thank you, Jimmy. Now take your advice, man. Alright? Yeah, man. Come in. You're late, man.
Sorry about that. Sorry about that. Yeah.
Alright, so
The door river one, you know. Build up, man. That's clean up. So that's that one, you know.
alright, you want what? The farm are really gone bad. So we are gonna see if we can clean up the farm because I just deal with their way.
No, man.
And
It's simple thing, you know. We can't catch up your back like you want around saying.
yeah.
Simple thing for match up, man.
So we carry out, you know.
Oh, you know, say I left you for here, I don't remember, man.
Yeah, man. So what we are doing now, we'll start from around there, so. Round the side there.
Yeah.
Weed out the side and come back round. Round.
Man, that's a good thing, and see potato them a spring up here now, you know.
Yeah, man. But we get to work now.
Yeah, man, I'm ready that. Alright, I'm going to start, you know, for people.
Boy, son of tea, man.
The papaya, they want to cook, man, they want rice, you know.
Yeah. Cool, man. You joke upon them.
Well, I don't hope up this, you know.
So you're married there?
Sweat up, man. I feel home here, man. Come here.
You're good, you know, brother. This is son, yeah?
Yes, come on, wait. Yeah, man. The papaya, they matured, man. But yeah, one more thing. You know, plan to sell Lucy?
Brother, you can't sell the people them woman ag.
They not going to know that. All you have to do is just kill you and skill.
No, not upon that. Wait, who the brother, and work where I work, sir?
Alright, I'm going back and work. Alright, do that, dude. Sorry, you know, understand. Alright, I'm going back and do my whole job.
You know, upon them thing, there, brother. Work where I work. Can't deal with people, sir, brother. Next thing we go do that here, say we are chickster. Eh?
You alright?
And nobody no want to support the business. You know, Timbo. We could go over the next farm.
Donn, you can't take a break sometime.
Hold on, man. Remember, brother, people want to make it in a life, we have to work hard.
Yeah, but
By the sweat of your bro, you shall what?
we shall eat bread, but sometimes we can eat crackers too.
No, man. But a bread don't want. A crackers too tough. Life done tough already, you know.
I'm not sure that man, but
Well,
as I say, work hard if you want something in life.
to
Man.
go
I
on,
believe in you.
go over next farm, go get the food for tomorrow. Because remember, you know, when we go to market, we want no food for sell, so could go over next market, go get.
So we have to carry over this time, right?
Could go over next, eh?
We have to carry over.
No, left it.
Thank you, Jesus.
Hold on. Where am I in there?
No, man, make that channel and done. Right now, we're not doing business with that, you know. God, no. We know what me and not done.
There's the water.
Rough. Hold on, man. You have move so fast, man. I got it done. I got it every morning late. I see you, man. If you also young boy, that's it.
All right, sir.
Philip, what name I teach you do? You got to teach me one day, you know.
All right, sir.
So,
Mm.
put a melon one mango there. You see?
No, not time for that, no, man.
Miss I see the lady, old lady always want mango, you know.
Not sure. Hey, them food I got sell, man, you know, brother.
I tell you,
Them pretty, man.
I go on, you know. And money you want to try make, you know. As I say, by the sweater you bro, you shall me have bread. I know good the man, you know, man. All right, you know. Hey, hold on the
Jesus.
done.
So you couldn't tell me, man.
Done,
Make it on
man.
here, sir. Make it on here, sir. We unload them here.
Yeah, man.
Put them on the van there, sir.
Hold on.
Yeah.
All right.
7 o'clock in the morning.
So, 7 years, I'm not late this time.
7 in the morning.
No fret. Money this ain't no, so
Yeah.
I can't late when I money.
Right.
Only two I did the farm still, and I did have to take my practice.
Now run a pattern now. Look at more.
Yeah, run a boat. I can link you later.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Food for eat, you know. Down there.
You're late again, man.
Sorry about that. Sorry about that one. Sorry about that.
See you much later.
So, ready, you know?
Boy.
Yesterday, I did want to weed out some more out of the thing. I said, sure.
Alright, come in.
Tired and hungry, man.
What do we are doing then?
The donkey down the yard, right?
Yeah. We are going to market. But watch out. We don't have to long as say no.
Tell you, you see, all the gungo peas are dry up.
Come on.
We need. You know, man. All them hallelujah. You know what I'm saying? Donn. Wouldn't mind the hallelujah. They sperm up fast, you know, man.
Boy.
You know why I use no chemical? Why?
Boy, I'm not the funny pesticide thing, you know, because them things are pipe.
Yeah, but you're going faster, we make money faster.
You understand?
Want to get rich fast, you know, man. You know I'm poor, man. You can't manage it. You think sardine and them shit, they are good food every day. Your brother did pay for a bunch of banana?
No, not yet.
Tell him they need to trust him, man. Tell him. We now get the money.
More come to man. Yeah, what?
Man.
I know. This I know for a PD. We could
Thank you, Jesus.
go on the market side.
You know, Lamar, you say that. You know, at time to make money.
What do you
At
mean?
time to skin teeth.
Youth and youth. Afternoon. Youth and youth.
Afternoon, Rastafari.
No good?
Yeah.
Alright. Here me has a different tune now. Me I try find a virgin named Donn. You know? He have a donkey cat. Cause there's plenty Donn. Me not thought Donn have one. Me said Donn, we have a donkey cat. You know the virgin?
Yes.
Alright. We party and live.
Let us walk on your list.
Alright. When I pass back, if you're not there, we not get something here. Buy us some bag juice or something. Alright? Big up on yourself.
Man, nothing bad do.
You're no man yet though. So you drink bag juice and okay, your boy.
Nothing bad do.
Alright. Me think what we want. Jack and stout.
Me a yai rum.
Alright.
Me a tell me that boy, you know.
Yeah.
Lock, man.
You see that Anna pot plant there? But you want chop in?
No, I'm not chopping it, man. I want to start turn more.
Alright.
One of the coop in them, I watch him in the country for one of them still in there.
Alright.
Yes, sir.
Real. Nothing I'm gonna make you now, boy.
Straight to market.
Yeah, man. Yeah, that me can't understand now how them a young boy and I want to work, you know.
Like that, me tell you.
And we don't know old man and we are work, so. Eh?
Like that. Boy, you rough. Danny rough.
Yeah, man.
Right, you know, I don't know the Prime Minister how did them hoodlump, you know.
I tell you, boy, because some of them don't want to work, you know. You know, them a mix up some people like unemployment rate. Some people out of that don't want to work, you know. Some percentage out of that don't want to work.
I don't lie. Two them fit we a farmer. Them fit we not bright.
So I think they should have one sitting with them call him no one work rate too. I lie.
Yeah, that one right, you know.
Mix up all people who are working, you realize.
What about farmers rate? What about farmers rate? How much can get more money?
Sunda da da dumba,
Don't talk to them half a bar.
valley follow, mountain for slow.
Government, what?
This place my home, I'm not alone.
Where I go? Check off the pattern is in man.
Thank you. All right. Yes, Billy. Don,
Hey,
what time you say you gotta come to clean up your place?
this morning if you come in.
This morning.
Mm.
What's the time? A good on man.
The morning I bucket them.
A
Down I
bucket.
bucket them come.
Alright. Alright. Alright, bucket.
Mm.
Man, I take too long, boy. Man.
You soon.
What time we are gonna mark it, by the way?
Soon push out. So feed the them first. Yo. Do the pot.
You know, we have a pint.
You must say we have to eat something, you know.
I'm hungry right now, man.
Wagwan, youngster.
There.
What your name, sir?
My name Jovan.
Jovan. My name Fire, right?
Yeah.
Me a check for one brethren named Donn. We have a donkey card. You know him?
Yeah.
What part he live?
I live around this one. Yeah, I go past one big tree right there, so a mango tree. Then I go right around there, so I go see be a dog, and then I go down on a hill, and then I see a yard.
Me a good on one hill.
Yeah. And then I
So me a go up one hill first.
No, yeah, go down on a hill first.
As me grow on the corner, me a go down.
Yeah, and then
I
up on
don't
a
go
hill.
down, man. Is there a way for me to walk up one hill?
Yeah. Yeah, I go up on a hill.
You're confusing, alright. You're good though.
Yeah.
Alright, me go figure it out.
Yeah.
I got to find this man no normal.
Hold on, man. Wait now.
I want to get trouble. Come in, Dan. Come. Come. Ready?
Where's the food ready?
Yeah, man. Food ready, man.
Hungry now, boy.
Man, take long at all. Where ready?
Bread in our bag, man.
Couldn't buy slice bread, man.
This we can't afford.
Well, at least.
How next spot?
No juice.
Yeah, man. Cheers, no man.
Mm-hmm.
Just me and me donkey and me old time friend.
See, donkey card, so.
Mm-hmm.
Dan! How you name Dan? Come up.
In, man. Forward, man.
Listen me now. I now come no further, you know. That scent here smell like hog.
No,
How about that?
I know. Come on, man.
No, yeah, tell me, sir, I go there. That big old white something there, so.
Rasta. Around here somebody want you clean up. Nothing in the yard pen.
Listen me now.
Around here, so.
Rasta burn a fire upon a hog pen. Me no go round hog. Me no.
Imagine I eat it. You know, eat the hog.
Listen me now. How you coming to eat in argument? I come for work, but I don't work in a pig pen or pig surrounding.
I clean up the area.
Listen me. Get somebody else clean up that. Me no clean up hog pen.
I tell you, no.
Rasta. You hear me I say? And in the one you clean up and around it.
Listen me. Me no clean round hog pen or round hog.
How you make money?
Listen now. No worry about me making money. Right? Worry about cleaning up on a hog pen on yourself.
A fire rasta put on a hot pen. Listen me now, when no call I, we call me for work.
Yes!
Yes, but you have to clarify. Say uno a hag man.
Alright, hear me I say
So
Rasta.
if you tell you we
Yeah, tell me say uno a hag man so me know say.
I don't say you're a Rasta.
Well, now you know, and
Rasta,
now
what
I
kind of work you
go.
do? What kind of work you do?
I clean up bushes. I chop bush.
Exactly.
Yeah,
So now that-
but I don't chop bush around hag pen.
Rasta, I don't like your style, man. You can't come.
Let me tell you something about style. The style you have no good, right? You must try, you know, so you tell people from the beginning, say hog pen cleaning.
You know what I tell him?
So hear me I say no, differently from that. I now have to do them work, I know. I have 14 subjects. That's why I now go shave up and go work in the Babylon institution, you know. All right, I'm telling you that.
Hey, Rasta, first subject.
I'm tell you one thing. You're right, you know. See your bread butter on the 5 side.
I hear side brother Rasta. What we tell her, you think that somebody saying something I can't come here, man?
Rasta don't want to work, brother. Alright,
Get that boy the side of the work for you, can't chat too much.
it's alright.
Make him yam down the grass them.
All right.
Why? We have to go clean up ourselves, you know. I'm gonna check on the donkey and come.
All right, then, me go and mash up. Oh, me mash up everything I know. Oh, Rasta come piss me off.
Jimmy, we are about to go in town. Where we can go to make a good sale.
Go in town. When you go in town, a lady in a red dress is gonna come and spend a big money with you. Right by the supermarket.
Thank you, Jimmy.
Ah! Run the bird for man. Oh, you know, laminate piece of bird.
Ready now, ready.
Ready?
Yeah, we are going town.
All right.
Yeah. Lucky gate now, man.
You can't come out. You can't come out, man. Remember, I see them pen up in them pen, you know. Them good, man. Them good.
Alright, going in town.
Are you lose him? Everything needs to sell, right?
Yeah, man. Two of them.
Yeah, man. Sell.
Two of them are doing some sale today, no?
So we're going out town, we are going to market, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Like this one, I look. Oh, no.
You know what's the shut out somebody in there.
No, man. No, shoot out somebody in there, man.
You tell say.
I tell you, sir. Need more donkeys like this, you know? Rap. Easy, top him, listen.
Alright.
I want to park up yesterday.
Alright, you want to go?
What that?
One lady I go come spend her money over there. So.
Which lady? Yes.
So,
I don't understand. Every time you tell me something happen, I want a call again.
what you say?
Oh, man. Me want to see. What color clothes she in?
You don't want to register.
Who have to walk on today?
Well, we're just going to wait.
Cause God know. One who walk on.
Hello? A food in the cell?
Yes, ma'am.
Even.
Yo.
Me can get one bunch of banana, Irish onion and then some something.
Tie donkey there, so sorry.
How about your partner?
No, man, I'm alright. Alright. Ah. Them one are soft, you know.
You sure?
Come on. Where's the one? Mm.
Want everything we have in the bag here.
Whoa, sure. Alright, so I'm just gonna put the banana in this and give you.
Yeah. How
Right?
much for everything?
Pumpkin and everything there. Irish everything.
Yeah.
Alright. 5,000. Thank you very much. Alright, so I can't get the bag, but me I go to another supermarket and get a bag for you, right?
Alright.
Go over
Yeah. Thank you.
Well done.
there.
You can. You supermarket and all like that. Nobody can know. Nobody can know.
Yes, sir.
One.
Ready?
Come on. Ready.
Hello, hold on. See that?
Yes, and
Alright, where are you going?
in the car.
That car right there.
Can put it in the trunk.
Yeah.
Wait, yo. Hey, donkey cat, man. Yo, how you doing, man?
Yeah,
Hey, no, babe, go easy. Yo, come on, man. I talk to them. Yo, where the woman? Eh?
No,
Yo. When you say that woman in the boss,
I help her with that. Jeez, and what is man?
yo, look what this, sir. You see this, sir? That means to leave that woman alone.
I help.
Whenever you see her again, yo, babe. Hold on, man. What kind of money so make a touch you? Donkey cat money sign up. Help us, look, man. No, listen to me. No, babe, let's go. Babe, let's relax. What do you mean no arm? Yo, take for yourself, man.
Yo, what we have to do, Bretton?
Yo, look at this. Kick it away, man. You kick in your face. Come here, talk. Yo.
No, babe, Jesus.
Hey, boy, move yourself. Man. Babe, let us go in the car, man. Go in the car, man. Yeah, make donkey, man. I carry some truck. On a head fun and donkey, man, you know.
Hello? Oh man, don't do me anything, man. I'm okay. Yeah, leave him alone. Alright. Yeah, thanks.
I'm thirsty, you know. How them moment? What going mother now? That good?
Yes, man. Me alright, man.
Yo, what I'm thinking of getting done right thing,
Why, thank you. May God bless you and keep you. May your storehouse basket never go empty.
Thank you, man. I
You
appreciate
know,
it.
you don't trouble, not you.
No, man.
Make sure not to tell me no line up.
I want you good, man.
Alright, one. Alright.
Get that here?
Alright, do some yourself.
Yeah.
My word, I don't know.
I don't like way before. You never did have to beat up me with stuff. You just still a try for help. You just there in the car, you see me I come up with the buckle and I do nothing.
Hold on. You know, say, some things you have to see I'm blind here and there because you don't understand. You understand circumstances. What are talking? Hello? Yeah, man. Everything good. What? No, Chief. No. And that is it. Alright. Later, I fall in our work. We'll talk. Alright?
Oh, what okay.
I wonder if I become beat up, eh? The brother. This will cause a problem. Supervisor calling and tell me, say, be careful. Don't you care about nobody. No work, nothing alive. How you feel? I know how you feel like, say, you make certain people help you, because you make me look bad.
So, when we say you have something for, reason about when we reach at work. Yeah, man. What you know? We get this order and it come from up at the extreme top, When I say extreme top, I mean it come from the higher rankers. And right now, the man them say whatever it is that you do, you have to stop and desist from it. Me? What you know? I want me hear and I want the people them tell me. Whatever it is you're doing, because I never ask them that. The man them even stay up on the phone long enough to tell me nothing. The man them just say, tell me second, to stop what I do, because it attract too much attention. It attract some heat, unnecessary heat what we don't want. So I say, alright bossy, and I hit that.
Alright. But me I say to you, still see, more when you get them phone call and, like you said, boy, yeah, get the higher calling from rated. You ever see the boss yet?
Why, my general?
You ever see the big man yet? What claims my big man, the whole operation, everything?
What you know? Never yet put a name to the face in my G. I don't know how this man here look. I don't know what to tell you about this man here, but all me know is when time orders come, bossy orders them ever concrete. And some me no miss pan up my G. The man never yet tell me nothing and it no gossip.
So, me I wonder still, see, in a case like this, what could I go wrong make them call you and tell about me just like that? Eh?
Brother.
It's not like some I do my job and my job not always effective. Eh?
Hear me say no, man. It's not what you do still, It's probably how you do it. I remember say them man they have eyes all around the streets. So them think they can cause one whole heap of little things where we not see. They might get bigger than we pay grade, So we have to just know what we do. We have to just work in silence, my general, and keep things on low profile.
But me I do that because I don't want to go to jail.
No, we don't want to go
He's
to
not
jail.
a person for and on my profile, bro. Well, everything we do is business.
Hear me say. The man
You know what I
say,
mean?
tell you a thing, and I tell you a thing. So do what you will with that, you know. I just saw the thing set right there. So.
Alright. Yeah. I don't hear that. So what we pan around?
You don't know, man. The call will wait for man. Call supposed to jump in shortly, man. As soon as the call jump in, you don't know. We'll make a move and go do a rounds, you see it?
Alright, so we're going to wait for
Police,
some.
put your hands through the window.
Yo,
Put your hands through the window.
Yo, so one thing next, brethren. Yo, and a me one in that vehicle.
What should I call me for? Girl, me soon reach. Me the right round that corner here, so. Stop doing your credit. Alright. Good evening, Miss Mer.
No, don't your car. She's sleeping.
I know, girl, I'm stressed out.
Yeah, you always stress.
No, but for real, nursing school has stressed me. Pharmacologist, psychology, as well.
That's why I'm asked you?
Right now, I want homework. They just said me a something.
I understand. But me and say for that stuff last year.
Yeah, I'm kind of busy.
Well, mommy say auntie, you need to come around so we can help you. Mostly. Well, me mom can't help you.
Anyways, let me tell you what I come up here for. I'm stressed out. I never start from the so. What me here say, your man get locked up.
Well, you ain't get lots of food to that.
So, I want to go to cast that I donkey cat on an embryo.
No, you're right to know, man. We're starting position of flower or more than one flexibility. So, and then the bank account, and I will give you the information here.
As somebody tell me, but they want to say them kind of money that your man did a draw.
Well, yeah, I know.
I ever talk about the donkey cat, man. If me have a man like that, me I would feel, girl.
Well, you know, Gabriel, him abuse bad influence. And the donkey cat man, in the name that don't call it that. The donkey cat man, he's a very genuine person. Like, he's way better than a
donkey cat man, anyway.
He was a donkey cat man. Yeah,
Why mama donkey cat?
His name Donn. Donn? So Donn?
Donkey cat man.
Anyways, so, in way better than Davian. Davian just, we can't make me with you.
Me rather go through the abusive rich relationship than if you go through the broke relationship. Me rather the ball on a yacht than a cat.
See, you can agree with me. Yeah, man, I can agree. You can agree. We will stick to that. Me, I tell you, Dan is way better in cheap mode, way better. The guy just like in the supermarket and the horses go out and can't start because the man. What for cause that? This is a big embarrassment. If you know me, the feel like I don't really care about going in the car, going in the car, you know everybody starts.
The thing said that they they are jail now.
No, yeah, you're not going to be able to. And the people for it.
So get liar or something.
Honestly, I don't know. I'm really care, like, my focus there. Over that. Because women like me.
That's good, but you man have more money than that the donkey cat boy.
You go too far. You're past the place now. You cannot do that. We are come from too far. For me to do something like somebody else telling man's boy.
What in
limits? I know that though. What that say?
Buckle friend.
That girl, you go too far.
And I like him
that
too.
it does not matter. It don't matter. Me like him. And when you meet him, you get.
Anyways, I can't go long because I get homework right now. I have to go finish up some biology and chemistry.
Give me a hug, and I think I'm going to say what can we do today. You just come up here with your bag about that stress. No.
It smells nice though.
Donn!
Yo!
Come on, man.
Hold
Pass
on,
it
man.
time.
I put up my bed, brother.
Time, you say 7 o'clock, come man. And
Hold
9
on,
minutes
man.
to 7, come.
Ah, hold on.
Tired, man, tired. Donn!
You say me I come, brother. Hold on, man.
Come in, man. You see it?
Boy. Boy, front door nearly pop off last night, brother. I not open it.
No, man, listen, no, man. 5 minutes left before 7 o'clock, man.
The door nearly pop off.
We don't pay
last
attention
night.
to that. You tell me 7 o'clock, I hit me a work off, man.
Come, take a sit down, man. Tap a chatting. Hey, man, I mash up a sit down, man.
Yes, man. Wait.
It's a one of us, brother. Over there. Now. Why not easy, no, brother?
Wait. You come tell me that so you did really heavy. Eh? Boy. All the time. There you go. Okay. No, man.
You are going. We'll feed the them and then we push out. See?
No problem. Cause next time, let's tell 7 o'clock, we are going to market the start feed the hog them from 6.
You wash your face, man.
Huh?
Man, I have to wash your face. Water, man. Wash your face, man.
Wash it right now, me having a problem with it.
Wash your face, man.
I tell you.
Matter in your yard, man. Tell you, man.
I don't be there no member for wash my face. Sometimes I'll even for wash your face in there, we not come so sometimes, so it's still in there.
Yo, day just like that, I sweat already, brother. It's so nothing, man.
Come, you say 7 o'clock?
Oh.
I'm money more go make right now.
Come on, yeah, man. We're not wasting no time.
Yeah. We want rich, you know, man. We want some money.
Yes, richer than Elon Musk.
Not really, you know. Me just want some money, you know. That's why I don't keep woman in my yard because you know, gonna make me give no money. So you see some of them woman, yeah?
Yeah, alright, man. We need my family. We're not next.
Donn, you can't talk about family in that state.
Listen, I say in the next 5 years, if you come and come see us, full off a little bit. Yeah.
In the boat house, same way.
Oh, yourself, man. Come on. Come on.
You see how the man woman are talking nowadays. If you don't have money, they don't want you.
Easy.
And the local market money can't help you. No banana, no mango. Come on. Get to find again, get it. We're going to market. Young banana. Over here, right there. Nothing
Donkey
there.
go a hee haw hee haw.
Yellow.
Donkey go a hee haw hee haw.
Yellow.
Donkey brain me want me
Get
want.
it right.
Donkey brain me want.
Yellow.
Anything we go down and kill to a seaside.
What
You see the donkey so me mind ya. Me not chop on no country bus. Me not chop on the donkey.
Dashing and cocoa.
Me not chop on no
thinking to there.
Yes, one of that country boy. No man nice like when I chop up on the donkey, no. I'm my son to tell you.
Fresh yam.
Everything there, people. Everything there.
Come donkey.
Yeah, yam, banana, dashing and cocoa.
Drink some water now.
Yellow.
Tap a river now.
Oh, go on there. Hold on, I'm going to get that drink, yes, now.
When I talk about special, I might shot that, you know. Too special. Too special.
Tell her, brother. So I go and ball it.
Yeah.
Really, I go up on the market, you know?
Yeah.
You alright, though?
I like it.
Real.
Alright, mum. Let's see how I get it, yeah?
Later, here.
Oh, God.
Ah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, boy. You're drunk already, no boy.
No, man. I just two drinking, no, man. I want you taking, no.
Yeah, because I drink with caution.
Yeah. Yam banana and dumpling. Yeah, cielo. Dashing cocoa mango. Yam banana dashing and cocoa. Over here, tip. $200 a pound. Yam, $100 a pound. Cucumber, mango, 300. We are letting it go. Each Indian 100 for one. Everything 100 now. Yeah, look. Get the yam. Cocoa dash in. Yeah, man, if you want me to tell me one, the color load, maybe come. I said, color load, you know.
Two, man.
I'm going to tell you chemical in the one. You would. Yeah, look. Out the road, tip and clean. No chemical. Yam, banana, dashi, mango, cocoa, cielos.
Hold on. Hold it, bro. Hold on, you never tie lock tool. You need to give donkey some water for you know. You need to give donkey some water, man. And anti-Merlin no water, you know.
No. I want market to give donkey some water, man. We ain't that right now, you know.
Alright.
I try to find him, I can't find him.
Hey, good day.
Hey, Donn. Come on. You know what? No trouble. Come on. What me say?
Hi.
Is it okay for me to have a word with you?
Donn!
Sure.
Tell me you want to Donn.
Mega, come on.
Donn.
So, I'm so pleased to say I truly wanted to apologize about what took place a couple weeks ago. My boyfriend is like that sometimes, you know. So, what's your name again?
I didn't tell him my name. Should I tell him my name?
Yes, I'm trying to get to know you.
Just call me Dan.
Okay, I'm Shanice. No? Okay. So like I said, I just wanted to apologize about what took place a couple weeks ago. We were just trying to help. After all, you're just such a gentleman.
Thank you.
Is it okay if we be friends? No?
Huh?
Is it okay if we be friends?
Oh boy. After what happened?
Yes. Is that such a bad thing?
We can be friends.
Okay. Can I have your number?
No?
Why not? Okay, if we cannot be friends, I see that you have stuff, stuff selling and stuff. You have grown provision, my mother like that. So we can support the business.
Sure,
Is that
you can
alright?
support the business, no problem.
Okay, so what's the number?
The number is right there on the card.
So you don't want to give it to you?
The number is there on the card. You can call us if you need one provision.
Okay, no problem.
Hey, brother,
Excuse me.
Timber, a business we are doing. Let's have the number.
Okay, so I'll definitely give you a call. Like I said, I'm really sorry about everything. So
Okay.
expect a call from me.
Alright, man.
Take care.
Brother, you should get going.
Dad,
Hmm?
you know, you know, listen. You're a black and blue, you want my black and blue, you hear again?
Business we are doing.
Dad, whether business or not, I'd rather not take your money. Eh? You give her your number, you know what that all lead you to? Next thing she in your bed. Next thing up. We don't want to go there so right
Brother, I
now.
don't want a girl in my bed, brother.
That's how we are saying no, Dad, me know when they're interested in somebody. Eh? So, I might bread back if you want top.
Come on, make we go, man. Just go over. Make
Come
some
on,
money.
beg to. I'm begging now move. So, you shouldn't move.
Carrot, we have over here, carrot. We have the Irish them too. We have the Irish them over here. Because some of them people here, them a walk up here and I feel them stall alone people a go. Carrot! 500 a pound fee yam! 500 a pound fee yam! Hey, me say, you don't know say, other day I be a little water, me see them at the donkey cart man there, you know, but every day you come here with the donkey, I go and think you can trick people. Them a thief off things off of people farm and come out here. I go and like I say they can't trick you. They can't trick you out here, man. Can't trick you. Irish and yam we have over here.
Yeah, start set up nice.
Yo, hey. You hear me over there?
Alright.
All right with that. Yo, get your way, man, I say.
Alright.
Done. We have to come people things.
Same alright, brother.
Yeah, eat out the profit, man.
So now we do your work.
No, eat
not
out the
eat.
profit. Yo, you know, some no lick him like that. But that's a big stone over there.
Over here, so people, over here, so.
Come over here, so godly food. Don't go over there, so full of.
Ground provision over here, so people. No fertilizer.
Right. We now walk on these people. Pepper.
Well, come like a mama, man.
Dan, you can't move over there on the king now.
You're fighting a market and boy.
You can't move over there on the king now.
Love him.
Sweet pepper we have over here. Come from Andrew, let's get them all little donkey, them feel like they're rich. They feel like them as somebody true Andrew, let's get them all little donkey. But time come, as soon as Master Mark win, is a Benz we are drive down at this. You can't trick we. When you settle for a little donkey.
No, you soon get where you look for, you know.
I got sound of that. I got sound of that. Yo! Enough to buy enough on them boy, you know.
Why?
Today they call me and give me work. I'm gonna check all of the goods them and I hack pen in there. Everything keep rock. I got piece for shit. I got piece and shit. Smell them. Look where that's up. Look where that's up. Look where that's up. Try something. Look where me don't pull out this, you know. When me pull out this and me fire, you're dead, you know. Try. Just try something pull out this, yeah.
Why you tell people something, John?
I be a so on have. Be a shit and piece for the mango them. Be a piece and shit for the good them. Oh no buy no fat. Yeah, you can't style, you can't style, you can't style me. Do I go on?
Tell me one about Rasta. Yo, you hear what I say? You hear what I say? And then you go tell that the dirty one over there. You know what that means?
Brother, fight, you have to get fight everywhere. You have to just...
We don't like you.
Brother, hold. You have to people try out my own. Relax yourself, man.
Your day soon come. Your day soon come.
Brother, now listen to that. Brother, remember so that man now, man.
Your day soon come. Yeah, it's mango man. Cheap and okay.
3 bills a dozen.
So we have 200 we can't find us.
Yeah, man, I have someone.
Are you West them there?
Give me. Yeah, back.
No matter what I'm trying, we still have make money.
Money have to make.
Man, short
No, man, we have 2 bills when it's saying I'm making 250, you know, so you know
good.
Come in for the mango there.
Yeah, Lord. Come in for the mango there. One bungi.
Hey, wait a minute.
See how go. I'm bursting this here. Where are you listening there?
Yeah, man. Take a listen now.
Yeah, man, it's bad. Yeah, you have green, no man. No, but it's good. Hey, yeah, I know when you get the color from. That half it. Eh? No, man, it's good. Good.
Yo, can't do the money, so brother.
No, man.
No, what I say?
Yo, tell the money too. Man say, yo, yeah, that's smell good.
You know, see a son who go on like you want style, man, all the while.
Jay, me say, Dan.
Man, no style thing.
Dan.
No, man, everything good, man. Everything good.
Dan, me say that. Dan. Where you do that? And everything good, you talk. No man like his style, Dan. Tell you already, man. Wait till the man, yo.
Virgin, if you have a virgin and you can't tell him the truth and everything.
Sometimes you keep it to yourself.
You put the girl stand in you.
Well, you're right. You're right.
If you want vex with it, you vex.
I know you don't make a sale over this, you know. Fear not, $100. A good man, he went that.
I sprinkle water.
$100.
Hey. What sprinkle water something and papa?
Your mama can go and sprinkle water, but I go over there and sprinkle. Watch him. Watch him, I walk road. Watch him. The man go and walk road. Adios. God, I go strike you over there. $100 market. Yeah, man, go and sprinkle your water, yeah. You no frightened away. $100 market.
Sumba, Valley follow, Sunda da da dumba.
Yeah, today was a good day. So that's the last thing, but where things?
Give God thanks for me killing.
Yam banana and dashing, quacker, over yard. We are still in a year or two. You can't sell out a road, you have to sell few people them too. Yam banana, dashing and quacker. Come on, Chief. Everything have it done. A pound I am. Going for 200 now. Cheaper than when we do market. Yam banana. Mango. Sweet and sour mango. Yeah. We are eating the... You eating them done?
Yeah, man, eating them done.
Good evening, Miss Elsie. How do you do? You alright? Then can no mango today. Eat on today, no, it's done. Alright, tomorrow.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Let me tell you.
Yo, Dan, let me have your son. Let me have your son. I'll take it to you, man.
Easy. Oh.
So, now I'm gonna go the way there. So, just start, we can...
Oh.
You know, today was a good day, but you see the rasta there. You see me telling him this will make him come, you see style there today. Huh?
So I go on, man, but I release that.
Mhm.
I release that.
So why you always give me more money than yourself?
Over yourself, man. Alright.
You sure?
Yeah, man, I have some money, I go live, man.
Alright. I said nothing.
But I go spend half the money upon a rum now.
No, man, just a one drink, that's how I stop. Tell me someone kettle be here when I bar me, I pray. Anyway. You can't go around here and not drink one drink.
You can't work so hard and not spend out the money then, brother.
Me understand, you know, but
anyway,
me not live with no woman as me say.
Alright, do what you do.
Yeah.
Later.
Alright. Jack.
Easy, Jimmy. I take a call. Hold on. Hello? What's up, Shanice? Yes? Just come off the road, you know. I'm going to call you back. Yeah? Yeah, man. Alright. I'll call you back. Yes. Wow. She called me fast.
Hello.
Hi, Shanice. How you doing?
I'm okay. How are you?
I'm done, you know.
Yes, hello.
Yeah, you used to my voice already. And I one time we talked on phone before.
What's your number?
You save it?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, so how was the day?
It was okay.
Oh,
How was your day?
day was great. Just a coming off of the market, you know. Tired and thing, you know.
Okay, well, I'm actually at a service place.
Oh,
I'm waiting to see you again.
okay.
Let's go play.
Yeah, no problem. We can meet up. Where you want to meet up?
Um, Actually, I'd are you free tomorrow?
What time?
Mm, maybe 12. No, that's okay.
Oh, so you want to come to my village?
Sure. I'd like that.
You sure?
Can you put me a little bit?
All right. Um, you see, I live at a place called Grant Bush. You just want to come at the square in Little London and turn up that road. Right. Yeah, man, just come all the way up until you see a sign on the left called Grant Bush is written on that sign, so you can't miss. So from you come there, 12 o'clock tomorrow, I'll meet you.
All right.
I'm at,
I'm not so familiar with that area, but I'll call you when I'm on my way. You could ask me.
yeah, man, just call me and I'll come out there and meet you.
Okay, so tomorrow?
Go again?
12 tomorrow.
Yeah, man, 12 tomorrow, man.
Okay, so I'm 19 again. I'm excited about tomorrow.
Really? I can understand how your boyfriend just beat me up like that and you just take on to me like that. But what about me like that? I don't know.
I guess I can show you our troubles tomorrow. My boyfriend had always been like that, a little bit abusive, angry, he had some other issues.
Oh, so I'm always abuser.
Not necessarily, but definitely an angry man.
Oh, okay. All right, we'll talk. We'll talk tomorrow. I'll give you a tour in my village.
Okay, at night time.
All right, cool.
Make sure to enjoy the rest of the evening.
All right, you too.
Thank you.
All right.
What going Santa?
You are going, sir?
Yeah, for the whole
Yeah, man.
I'm going to go back around.
Yeah, man. And drink your rum.
You know, Woodland Port, yes, sir.
Yeah.
So, just remember?
Yeah. Yeah, give 1 year. Yeah.
1 year. Yeah. One back of rum there, you know. How are you? Where are you still going on? Santa. Santa. Yeah. Where see you, Santa? No. Santa, you sure, Santa?
We don't see a hole. I'm going to clean that shit for street. You don't see no hole.
Santa, no, me not fool, Santa. Santa.
We don't know. Mind the jump.
Me put the hole right there, Santa.
Mind the jump. You don't see no hole.
I'm going to start drink.
But me don't know if we drink. I'm clean that in there already.
Well, we never kill that here, no.
We don't know.
You don't know.
No, for me, don't see no hole.
I think you don't tell me, no. All right, yo.
Yeah.
We talk.
Yeah, man. Talk, man. For me, don't see no hole.
Hey, listen to me now, man. You know, we shouldn't get chop no place this morning, yeah. Rasta for your chop it. We could have the market and make some money. Because you have bread fruit I can sell for the tree yeah, already.
That's the same man I want to work, man.
Huh?
You see Rasta want to work?
Yo, Donn.
Yeah.
One more thing, come on. One more thing, come on.
Virgin, I work.
Come on.
What you say?
For a serious level. You know, alone, the man alone.
So yes, my people, thank you for watching. You have made it to the end of episode 1 of Donn and the Donkey Cart. Yeah, man. So next week, the 2nd day of August, just stay tuned and tune in to the other episode, right? And if you want to constructively say thank you, just give me a subscription. That's good enough. I'll highly appreciate that. Big up on yourself. See you guys next week. Hold on. Remember, subscribe. What you have to say now, my general?
Remember, I know, Maggy Films.
Yes.
Always come out, always support. You don't know the thing. Richard Brown umbrella, and that's how the thing there.
Right, that's
I
all.
wasn't a part of this one, but it's not that I'm not a part of the program. I am still a part of it. But look for me in a part 3. Part 2, part 3. Look for me in a part 3. I'm coming wicked than before. Remember, and remember when I tell you, it's rough when you can't read.
Rough when you can't read. Remember now, no, subscribe, right? Big up on yourself.
Ready? See your bread butter? 6 side, you know. Say all right, here?
But Rasta now no say.
No, Rasta. 5, if you say. 5.
A 5 if
You say 6. Ready? Sweet pepper we have over here. Come from Andrew, let's get them all little donkey, them feel like they reach.